Hi, my name is Tito, and welcome to Oil Hacks. Today's hacks might be the best ones yet, so let's get started. Looking for ways to ditch the harsh, toxic chemicals of store-bought cleaners? Well, here's a green cleaning hack to add to your repertoire. For glass cleaner, add 3 parts white vinegar to 1 part water in a glass spray bottle of your choice. Then add 8 to 12 drops of Green Mandarin essential oil. Now, you can go green and clean your windows with your Green Mandarin Green Cleaning Glass Cleaner. Do you like keeping your breath minty fresh? Then this hack is for you. In a glass jar, put a small amount of fractionated coconut oil. Then, add several drops of spearmint essential oil. The mintier you want it, the more spearmint oil you should add. Add your toothpicks and let them soak in there for a few hours. After that, lay them out on a plate to dry. We suggest storing them in a small tin or container to preserve the flavor. Enjoy. Got an oil hack you'd like us to try? Simply leave it in the comments below and maybe it will be featured on our next episode. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time.